Wearing 2 layers of protective clothing, even if the first layer is short-sleeved, can provide enhanced protection in certain situations for several reasons. Firstly, 2 layers create a more substantial physical barrier against hazardous substances, such as chemicals or biological agents. The outer layer intercepts and traps contaminants, while the inner layer provides an additional layer of defense if the outer layer becomes compromised. Secondly, when a hazardous substance penetrates the outer layer, the inner layer acts as a secondary barrier, slowing down the penetration process and minimizing the amount of substance reaching the skin. This delay provides valuable time for evacuation or further decontamination measures. Thirdly, short-sleeved garments can still provide protection against airborne contaminants such as dust or particles. The inner layer acts as a filter, trapping particles before they reach the skin. Fourthly, 2 layers allow for greater flexibility and comfort compared to a single heavy-duty layer. The inner layer can be made of a breathable material, reducing heat and moisture buildup. Fifthly, using a short-sleeved inner layer can be more cost-effective than replacing the entire protective ensemble if the outer layer becomes contaminated. The inner layer can be easily washed and reused, reducing overall expenses. In situations where the risk of chemical splashes or sprays is high, additional layers of protection may be required. However, in cases where only airborne contaminants are present, a short-sleeved inner layer may provide adequate protection. It's important to note that the use of 2 layers of protective clothing should be part of a comprehensive safety program that includes proper training, equipment inspection, and decontamination procedures. The specific requirements for protective clothing and layering will vary depending on the specific hazards involved.